Hey guys, we are going to talk about tech and video editing. I should have it over there since it's about video editing. But yeah, let's just do green screen this time. It's easier. I'm just saying. Adobe, I love Adobe Premiere, and I love After Effects, and I love Audition. Let's just say Adobe is bringing its new all-in-one video editing tool will work across devices. Let's just say if you want to work on your phone or your tablet, this new device is gonna be perfect for you. It's basically called Project Rush. We'll bring together Premiere Pro, Audition, and After Effects. Adobe, its new video editing product. It's basically where you can publish the video, YouTube, Facebook Stories, Instagram Stories, Vimeo, Twitter, Snapchat. It's basically gonna be amazing. Yeah, it's gonna be amazing. Project Rush is scheduled to be released later this year. For now, Adobe is accepting applications for beta testers. And yeah, you can apply here. I'm gonna apply here because I'm gonna definitely apply for a beta tester on this one. I'm gonna test this out and I'm gonna let you guys know when the product actually releases. The beta is currently available for Mac, Windows, and iOS. Adobe says an Android beta is coming soon. So basically it's gonna come soon on Mac and Windows and iOS, but it's coming soon on the Android beta. So it's gonna be very sweet, I assume, because a lot of people use Instagram stories a lot. I use it all the time. This is perfect. Like I say, you can easily take video into Premiere and actually create it for your Instagram story, basically. With this new app that will be later this year, you can easily edit it on your phone, and if you want to further on the edit, you can easily take it into Premiere Pro and basically use that. It's gonna be all from one screen and one touch at one time. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Let me know of what your thoughts on this one. So hit that subscribe button and make sure you follow me all over it of @Settings Live. See ya, peace, bye, and subscribe.